What is up, everybody? Welcome into this new video to Express. My name is Steven. I'm going to be showing you how to make the actual profit checkout into your actual Shopify. So tracking profits into the products of you're making dropshipping, of course, is not that hard. You just need to find the right application in order to get started with. Now, in my case, I'm going to be using this product that we have made. Here, speaking about the dropshipping into CJ dropshipping. So what I wanted to do is to check it out the actual profit. So in my case, I don't think I have created a few sales yet, but I'm going to be telling you the method that I use in order to check out some profits. So first of all, you wanted to find out the product you have just listed from your dropshipper supplier. In my case is this actual video of this. Let's say this is a product that I have just added into my actual store. So now that I have just do that, I want to go back in here. I want to make sure that my product is now inside my actual store, and then later on we shall continue. Now what I wanted to do is to go back into my Shopify. Let's go back into the home section, and now you wanted to focus into the left part. It says applications. Could you go into recommended apps, and then if you don't find the one that we were looking for, which in my case it's not appearing there, I'm going to go directly into Shopify App Store. Now let's go and look out here for true. I'm going to hit into the enter mark, and then later on it's going to be showing me a lots, truly lots of applications that we can check it out for the profit analytics. We want to be focusing actually into the very first one. This one is generated and developed by the True Profit Real-Time Profit. So you want to make sure that you have this version. Now this version has a 14-day free trial, and then later on it's going to be $25 per month. If you're okay with that, hit into add application. If you're not okay with that, I can totally suggest you to use another one, for example the Be Profit. Now the Be Profit once again has a free plan available. We have a 7-day free trial, and then later on it's going to be charging the additional charges may be applied. So I believe it's going to be much more easier to check it out the True Profit application, since we have 14-day free trial version. So let's hit into add applications, and since you already have made some sales, I believe, but I wanted to believe that, I don't think going to be needing this application for more than 1 or 2 days. Now I'm going to hit now into install application, and the installation should be now successfully into our actual Shopify website. Now what I want to do is to just wait a few seconds till we are inside the actual dashboard of the True Profit. Now as you can see, we have the basic, we have the advanced, the ultimate, and the enterprise. So as you can see, speaking about the basic plan, we have 3,300 allotted monthly orders. We have real-time profits, we have an analytics, lifetime values, and data export, and much more. So you want to focus only into the free version of the 14-day free trial. So you click there, and then later on it's going to be sending you into the pricing, once again into the payment section of the actual True Profit. So if you're okay with this, go into continue. If you're not okay with that, install the one that says Be Profit. Be Profit has a free version only for a few days, so you might want to check out one of both. The application is going to be really easy to use. So if you are, for example, here into the application Be Profit, let's shall continue, which we are now inside, and I don't have to pay absolutely for anything. Now my industry is shopping industry, is about clothing and fashion. I'm going to hit now into next. So setting this up is actually really simple. Which platform do you advertise on currently? So what you want to do is to, let's say for example, add Facebook, go and Google Analytics and hit into next. This one should be helping us a lot to get out the profits we have earned so far. So if you haven't added anything yet, you don't have to worry about that. We can do this later on. Now it's going to be asking you for the marketing platforms. Now the available integration that we have here is the Facebook and Instagram and Google Analytics. So as you can see, we can track our COGS. This one is going to be helping us to check it out. Here's the product, here's the selling price, the items, the actual source, the cost per item, and the handling cost. So this one is like the expenses of the order fulfillment, like the packaging, preparing the inventory for the transport and all that. So as you can see, it costs $0 since we are making 1 print on demand and 2 drop shipping. So after that, if you're okay with that, information is getting to continue. What I wanted to do now is to have all the paradigm about all my actual store, all my actual stuff here. So focus into the free version. Once again, we can only focus into one shop, which I think is totally okay since we're going to be using only one of them. Now, inside the Be Profit, you can check it out the total sales. We have the marketing, the gross, the order, and the POAS. So here into the actual profit, if I want to check it out in a specific product, head into my actual products and look out for product analytic. So here I'm going to be checking how much money I have earned, which from, let's say, in a specific product, we have the best sellers, we have the most profitable and the less profitable. All of this information should be granted and apparent as you are creating some actual sales. Of course, single inventory, everything. There's a lot of steps that, of course, needed to be upgraded to the ultimate discovery product. But I think like the most faster way to check it out your reportings and your products is by going directly into your overview and go into your dashboard. I can even compare different shops, but once again, if we already have more than one shop, we can upgrade now to add, let's say, for example, Amazon, WooCommerce, even Google Sites, for example. But then later on, what I want to do is to focus into the marketing and check it out how much money you have spent for the actual ad spends. So this is the reason why the actual Be Profit asked you if you have some ads running into Facebook or Instagram, into Meta, into Pinterest, for example. So you can be checking out how much money you have spent and how much money you have earned. The inventory should be telling you how much stuff you have in stock, how much your inventory is in value. The inventory cost is this, and into the right part you can see the unit count, the daily sales, the days to finished. As you can see, with all the products that I do have available in here, my inventory value is more than $600 million, which I think it's not dollars. I believe that it's the Mexican peso. But this is all the information that I just wanted to know, speaking about the profits of my products and the cost and all of that. So hopefully, guys, the pre-profit free version can be really useful for you. If done, maybe you can apply to check it out like some upgrade version. So if you can afford it, I can totally suggest you to check that out. If you don't, well, you can stick around with all the free version. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you find this video very useful. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully you're doing so great. And well, with that being said, I'll see you on the next video.